In this section, we will explore the connections within the network using the different protocols. We will review the UDP connectionless protocol. Following this, we will examine the reliable protocol of TCP. Then we will close out this section with an exploration of streams of both UDP and TCP. UDP, this is our speed protocol, the one we use for streaming. Connectionless. It consists of a very minimalistic header. And there is no acknowledgement of the data that is received by the receiver. That's why it's connectionless. Now in TCP, our reliable protocol, we have a larger header so we can track the connection parameters. This header provides us with the sequence and acknowledgement number, along with the control bits or the flags of the connection. The reliability is provided by the ability to acknowledge or act the data that is shown here in this image. It might be surprising, but both these protocols have streams, and we can analyze these streams to determine what is taking place, and more importantly, reveal the data within some cases. You can see that UDP data is viewable, and we can determine that in this case, we have the Google Chrome browser, and it's running on Windows. All of this information is contained within the data of the packet. In this next image, we have the communication stream for TCP and the FTP communication. As we can see here, the entire content is in the clear. We will get to explore this in detail in the next section, but as you see, the username and password in this stream have been compromised. In this section, we've explored connections and components within the networks. We took a look at both UDP and TCP. We closed out the section with a brief look at the streams of data when the different protocols are used. Next, we will explore the essential components of streams and how to determine what is taking place within our static packet capture file using the Wireshark tool.